Now, these are the cases in which we would use appelez. That is, the infinitive of this is appelez, which means to call oneself. So when you use it in the first person singular, that is je. When you want to say my name is, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. This is actually I call myself. Je m'appelle. But since there is a vowel clash here, we replace this with an apostrophe. So, je m'appelle. I call myself, and then you say your name. Similarly, when you're using it for the second person singular, tu t'appelles, your name is. Similar to the first one, here it is actually tu t'appelles. You call yourself. So because of the vowel clash, it is tu t'appelles. When using it in the first person plural, nous appelons. We call ourselves. Nous appelons. And in the second person plural, it is vous appelez. Notice that the verb, the conjugation of the verb changes depending on the subject we are using. If it is je, it is appelle. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. For nous, it is appelons. And since appeler is a reflexive pronoun, we say nous appelons. We call ourselves. And vous appelez. You call yourselves. So these are the 4 cases where we use this question most probably. So now you know how to use this question in a conversation, and you also know how to respond or reply to that question if you are asked.